Querying a table for a list of columns. So we're going to do this using SQL, and the advantage of it being in an SQL database is that the data persists in that database. It's not like in Python where the data persists in a CSV file, and each time you have to load it into a data frame, a pandas data frame, before you can use it and manipulate it again using Python. So inside here we have the database and the table name here. So what we will do is just check all the data by just doing a select all. So I'm going to open out a new query window that connects to this database and run select all from the table name. This gives me the whole table, and then I will choose from this just a select few of the columns. So certain columns that I just want say the first three: longitude, latitude, and housing median age. So when I do that in SQL, it looks like this. Select longitude, latitude, housing median age from table. And this gives me just those three columns. That's how I chop the data by columns. And let's say I only want the first 5 rows of this table. So to do that, I would put a limit on the end. So if I run that would just give me the first 5 columns, the first 5 rows of these 3 columns. That's how I'm limiting the data by columns and by rows as well. And if I were to get the last 5, then I would have to do an order by, which I won't do at the moment, and then ascending, descending, then I can get the last few. And then finally, to do this, I can show you. Actually, I can show you this. Let's have a look here. This is select, again, longitude, latitude, housing median age, and from the table, then order by housing median age. Then ascending, first by the ascending by the housing median age, and then descending by the latitude. And let's see what we get. As you can see, it's ascending from here. These ones here, a lot of these repeat, but you can see it's ascending in this one. But within these columns, within these rows, I should say, it's descending here. Descending on latitude. And that is how you do some very basic queries in SQL to limit the amount of columns you're wanting to get out, and to limit the number of rows that you want to get out. So you're slowly isolating the data that you're more interested in.